Open the package. Take out the foam and remove the machine. Take out the accessories, including one high-pressure pipe and one accessory package, one spray gun, one gun nozzle, one suction pipe. First, take out the gun nozzle and the gun nozzle base. Install the crescent pad into the gun nozzle base with one end of the gun nozzle. And pay attention to the arc of the crescent pad to be consistent with the muzzle column. Finally, screw the nozzle seat into the gun body, and the nozzle seat, after screwing into the gun body, should be able to rotate 180 degrees. If you need to use the extension rod, screw one end of the sealing gasket into the corresponding screw mouth of the gun body, and tighten the other end. Connect and tighten the nozzle base. Next, screw the filter head into the suction assembly. And take out the anti-tripping device from the accessory package. Before loading into the suction pipe, make sure that the steel ball in the lower pump body moves with a screwdriver. Install the suction pipe head into the lower pump body. Install the anti-tripping device into the corresponding groove. Connect the return pipe into the material return interface, and tighten it. Connect one end of the high-pressure pipe with the corresponding screw teeth at the bottom of the gun body, and tighten the other end of the high-pressure pipe with the discharge port. Put the suction pipe into the barrel. Turn on the power switch until there is material flowing out of the return pipe. Close the pressure relief valve, and then fire can be used. The normal use is fan-shaped atomization. In case of blockage, the nozzle can be rotated 180 degrees to eject the blockage, and then the fan-shaped surface can be rotated to continue to use.